Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we are Beyond First Dates. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about: online dating tips for shorter guys and the age-old question, does height matter to women? Well, let's get right into it and explore some genuine and honest advice. Oh, and don't forget to watch until the end, as tip 5 is a game changer that hardly anyone does. Tip 1, always be honest on your profile. When it comes to online dating, honesty is your best policy. It's tempting to tweak a few details on your profile to present a more idealized version of yourself. However, being truthful about your height, along with other aspects of your life, sets the foundation for genuine connections. By accurately representing yourself, you're building trust right from the start. Imagine the trust you'd feel if you discovered that someone you were interested in had been completely honest about themselves. Now, let's reverse the scenario and consider how you'd feel if you discovered that their profile wasn't truthful. The same goes for your potential matches. They deserve to know the real you. Now, being honest doesn't mean you should focus solely on your height. Your profile is a canvas to showcase your personality, interests, hobbies, and aspirations. Let your profile reflect the multifaceted individual you are. Tip 2, accept others' preferences for height. It's crucial to recognize that everyone has their own set of preferences when it comes to attraction. Just as you have your unique tastes and interests, others do too. Some people might have a preference for taller partners, while others might not consider height a significant factor in their dating choices. Understanding and accepting these differences is essential in the world of online dating. Remember, attraction is subjective, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach to relationships. Tip 3, have confidence. Confidence is like a magnetic force that draws people in. When you exude confidence, you not only feel better about yourself, but you also become more attractive to others. Building confidence is a journey that starts from within and radiates outward. Confidence isn't about being arrogant, flashy, or overly self-assured. It's about being comfortable in your own skin and accepting both your strengths and your imperfections. Recognize that everyone has their insecurities, and it's okay to have them too. What matters most is how you handle them. Instead of dwelling on what you lack, focus on what you bring to the table. Your confidence will naturally shine through when you acknowledge your value and express yourself authentically. Tip 4, showcase your personality and interests. Instead of fixating on your height, focus on the things that make you fascinating and engaging. Share your passions, whether it's your love for art, music, sports, or any other hobbies that light up your soul. When you express genuine enthusiasm for your interests, you invite others to connect with you on a deeper level. These shared passions can become the bridge that connects you with someone who appreciates you for your authenticity and the things that make you truly happy. Tip 5, be open-minded and positive. Approach online dating with an open mind and a positive attitude. Stay optimistic and be willing to explore different connections. Remember, height is just one aspect of who you are. Shift your focus from potential rejection to the moments of genuine connection and understanding. Celebrate the conversations that flow effortlessly, the shared interests that spark excitement, and the laughter that lightens the virtual space. By appreciating these moments, you cultivate a positive atmosphere where height concerns fade into the background. And there you have it, our online dating tips for shorter guys. Remember, the right person will appreciate you for all that you are. Stay honest, confident, and positive, and you'll find meaningful connections that go beyond first dates.